In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our best-in-class editor in emails and surveys, the best marketing tool for your business and nonprofit. This video will be helpful for creating email campaigns, forms, and surveys. All our HTML templates are responsive HTML that have been tested on 92 clients, including older Microsoft Outlook clients. Navigate to My Desktop button and select My Page Design. On this page, you will see your My Published Pages, My Draft Pages, and free templates we provide for you. You might want to take a look at these first and see if there is one you like. And if you would like us to build one for you, take a look at our Build It For Me offering at the Emails and Surveys YouTube channel for more information. In My Pages, by pressing plus icon, user can create a new page. If you would like to send a simple HTML page or dynamic that can source fields in your contact list, we will build a dynamic page in this example. Next, select a group, My Customers. Now you can give it a name, Welcome Email, and create a tag for your email template. Tags can be helpful for organizing your templates. This is a customer template, so let's tag it as customer. We have provided you with a number of common styles to start with. In this example, we will start with a blank template, so you can see the entire process. Now you will see our toolbar, a canvas, and background, all of which can be modified. The toolbar gives you the ability to set your default canvas background, page background, text settings, borders, margins, and paddings. We recommend you always set your page defaults first. Let's take a look at the canvas background. You can set a preferred color or picture. Let's go. Select a picture. Now let's set a page background color. Notice how we are saving your previous colors you have used. This will be handy as you build your template. Let's remove these styles and work from a clear template. On the toolbar, notice there is a block section where you will see different block styles. All email templates have header, body, and footer. For your body, text-based blocks, image-based blocks, text and images-based blocks, and different options for a footer block. Emails and Surveys is integrated with Shopify if you would like to link your storefront. We also give you a place to upload your images. We recommend you categorize them to what makes sense for you. Here you will see a logo directory, image directory, and background directory. You can also pull in your images from Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Quick links allow you to embed any surveys, assessments, or forms you have in emails and surveys. And finally, you can link any of your social media sites to your page. Now that we understand the fundamentals, let's go build a page. Let's add a header. You will see that we are asking for an image that is 580 pixels by 218. All templates are 600 pixels wide. You don't have to keep track of this, but it is helpful to understand the basics. Always have the image bigger than what is requested, not smaller, because images that are too small will pixelate. But also please, be kind to us as you don't want large-sized images in megabytes in your email template. Emails and Surveys provides the ability to edit your images right in your email template if necessary to ensure it is pixel perfect. Notices there are padding settings and border sizes. If you have a color in your background, you will want to use these settings to manage the layers of colors at the page, block, image, and text level, just like you do in Microsoft PowerPoint. Notice you have full control over the block properties and content. The Emails and Surveys editor is very powerful and gives you full control over all the HTML elements. Let's put a link back to our site. Okay, looking good so far. Now let's add a text block. Drag a text block on your page. Let's personalize your email with a greeting. Type hello, and on the text editor, click in contact fields and select first name and then a comma. Now, in this case, I am going to cut and paste the content for this video. Depending on your keyboard and nationality, there can be issues with cut and pasting, and we recommend typing your text directly in the editor. If you see control characters in your email template, just delete them and pick the correct character, which can happen with periods, exclamation, and question marks. If you would like to format your text, we recommend you select your text at the beginning of the text and drag forward. Let's change the font size and type of font. We highly recommend you send your social media links on all your communication. Okay, great. We have built a beautiful email template very quickly. Let's review some of our concepts. Each block will have its own content settings and block settings. It is common when you work with images and color, you will need to format your padding and color. You also can change the order of the blocks. There, that is better. I think we are ready to publish the page. When we publish, if one of your contacts has a default language other than English, we will automatically translate each email into your contact's preferred language. Here you can see one member prefers to receive in Spanish. Okay, great. This page is published and ready to send. To send an email, click on the My Campaigns menu item, Email Campaign, click the plus sign and follow the wizard, or you can watch the video How to Send an Email in our video collection or at our YouTube page. If you found this tutorial beneficial, please like us and feel free to give us feedback on what we can do better. Follow the Emails and Surveys social media channels to stay up to date on our product offerings.